Hello everyone, welcome to Philosophical Study. Thank you for connecting this channel and I hope you all are well, and I am back again with a new topic of applied philosophy and land ethics. Today we will discuss subtopics of applied ethics and land ethics, and then we will practice all the previous year questions of NTA UGC net. And if you new in my channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and never miss an update. And I hope you all are doing really well, so let's begin. Before start the session, please join Telegram channel Philosophical Study. If you join Telegram channel, you will be benefited. Here you can get free ebooks, free notes, previous year questions, and if you have some difficulty to open the link, please go to Play Store, then search Telegram app, then install and login. After login, search Philosophical Study, then join. After complete the session, I will provide the PDFs in Telegram channel. Applied philosophy. The term applied simply means to put into practice or to be used practically. From this use of the term applied, we can formulate a general definition of applied philosophy, and it is the application of those principles and concepts derived from and based on philosophy which helps to a study of our practical affairs and activities. Applied philosophy deals with the implication of philosophical analysis on the practical life. It shows its relevance in technology and other spheres of our day-to-day life. Applied ethics is a general field of study that includes all systematic efforts to understand and to resolve moral problems that arise in some domain of practical life, as with medicine, journalism, or business. There are three major subdivisions of applied ethics: biomedical ethics, business and professional ethics, and environmental ethics. Biomedical ethics concerned with ethical issues is in medicine and biomedical research, and business and professional ethics is concerned with issues arising in the context of business, including that of multinational corporation. And next is environmental ethics is concerned with our relations and obligations to future generation, to non-human animals and species, and to ecosystems and the biosphere as a whole. Aldo Leopold was an American author, philosopher, scientist, ecologist, forester, and environmentalist, and he was born on 11th January 1887, and his major works on land ethics. Land ethics is a philosophy of theoretical framework about how ethically humans should regard the land. The term was coined by Aldo Leopold in his Sand County Almanac 1949, a classical text of the environmental movement. In his book, he argues that there is a critical need for a new ethic, an ethic dealing with humans' relation to land and to the animals and plants which grow upon it. A Sand County Almanac was the first systematic presentation of a holistic or ecocentric approach to the environment. Leopold offers an ecologically based land ethic that rejects strictly human-centered views of the environment and focuses on the preservation of a holistic or ecocentric approach. Uh, a year after his death, his son Luna edited and published the book. Is considered a landmark in the American conservation movement. His land ethic is founded on two principles, which are: first is, a thing is right when it tends to preserve the integrity, stability, and beauty of the biotic community. It is wrong when it tends otherwise. And the next is, the land ethic simply enlarges the boundaries of the community to include soils, water, plants, and animals, or collectively the land. Leopold moves the discussion forward on two fundamental fronts. He recognizes that nature and the environment have value in themselves, as well as or despite any value they may have for humans. The land ethics simply enlarges the boundaries of the community to include soils, waters, plants, and animals, or collectively the land. A land ethic changes the role of Homo sapiens from conqueror of the land community to plain members and citizens of it. It implies a respect for his fellow members and also respect for the community as such. That land is a community is the basic concepts of ecology, but that land is to be loved and respected is an extension of ethics. A thing is right when it tends to preserve the integrity, stability, and beauty of the biotic community. It is wrong when it tends otherwise. Those who are interested for further reading of this book is Sand County Almans. I will provide this ebooks in Telegram channel, and go to Telegram channel and download. Some critics fault Leopold for lack of clarity in spelling out exactly what the land ethics is and its specific implications for how humans should think about the environment. It is clear that Leopold did not intend his basic normative principles. Normative principles: a thing is right when it tends to preserve the integrity, stability, and beauty of the biotic community. To be regarded as an ethical absolute, thus constructed, it would prohibit clearing land and to build homes, schools, or farms, and generally require a hands-off approach to nature that Leopold plainly did not favor. Presumably, therefore, his maxims should be seen as a general guideline for valuing natural ecosystems and striving to achieve that what he terms a sustainable state of harmony between man and land. Okay, now we will practice all the previous year questions of applied philosophy, and you have to read the options and choose the correct answer within 10 seconds, and write in comment section how much you have choose the correct answer. First question is December 2019. Which of the following is not true of land ethics as propounded by Aldo Leopold? The answer is A. A land can prevent the alternation, management, and use of nature and its resources. Next question is, which one of the following issues comes under the purview of business ethics? And the answer is E. All of the above. Next question is, which of the following ethical principles forms the underlying assumption of Peter Singer's views in applied ethics? And the answer is C. Maximum amount of happiness for maximum number of people. Next question is, which one of the following is false in context of environmental ethics? Answer is C. Environment is primarily for the use of human beings. I hope you all are enjoying the session. Please like the session, comment, and never miss to share the video because sharing is caring. And lastly, join Telegram channel Philosophical Study, and thank you for stay connected.